Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's section is about connecting a DHCP server to get automatic IP address. Okay, the last section was about port security. Let's quickly recap that. We learned what is port security and how do we activate. Now, I have enabled port security for my 10 computer and access point 2. Here you can see the access point, the wireless access point connected FA11 port on switch. The FA11 port also configured port security. Here you can see the FA11 port also configured port security. However, you should not enable port security on wireless access point. Why? What are the reason? The reason is, let's take a scenario, and I am going to take a laptop and connect it with wireless access point. Okay. And I am going to give you IP address 192.21. Let's see the key of wireless access point. Key is cybertag. Here you can see the connected port from switch to access point. It automatically shut down. Why? Because when multiple devices connect to the wireless access point, in my case laptop 0 and laptop 7, the port will automatically shut down. The reason that we have set the maximum MAC address 1. Here you can see we set maximum MAC address except 1. That is why port has shut down. So let's skip the access point from port security. First, go to the global configuration mode and go to the specific port, in my case 11, port 11. And type the command no switch port security and shut down and no shutdown. Okay, now you can connect plenty of devices with the access point without any issue. Okay, now let's see what is DHCP. First, the DHCP means dynamic host configuration protocol, and it automatically give IP address to devices. Okay, how does DHCP work? Let's see a scenario. Here we have an PC. Name it A, and we have switch, and this is a DHCP server. It's a DHCP server, and it is a switch, and it is a PC. B has connected PC with switch and DHCP server with switch. Okay. Now in the PCA send a message like I need an IP address, and it message go to the DHCP. The DHCP server give IP address to the A computer. This is a DHCP working mechanism and method. Okay, let's see the practical. First, we need a server, so go to the int devices and you can see the server. Okay, first name it as DHCP. Okay, then connect the DHCP server with switch. So select the straight through cable. You can see the connection, and select the straight through cable and connect the DHCP server with switch. Here I'm going to connect with port 12. Okay, first we need to set up negotiation mode. In my previous classes I will teach you what is negotiation and their modes. Okay, go to the config and fast Ethernet 0 and set up bandwidth as 100 Mbps and duplex full. Okay, like that, go to the switch, navigate the connected port of DHCP server, in my case 12. Okay, go to the port 12 and set bandwidth 100 Mbps and duplex full. Okay, now first we need to assign IP address for DHCP server. So go to the desktop and IP configuration and static. Let's give IP address for an example 192.168.0.1. okay, keep your mind it is a DHCP server's IP. Okay, now we need to enable DHCP server, so go to the service and you can see here the DHCP and navigate that. Okay, first you can see the service on. By default it's off, you can on it, and the default gateway, we don't have any default gateway yet, so keep empty, and DNS also. And you can see the start IP is 168 and 0.5. The start IP means the DHCP server will give IP from 5, and subnet mask, it's okay, and maximum number of users I am going to give as 25, and finally save. Now okay, we have successfully configured DHCP, and go to the PC 0, in my case PC 0, and go to the desktop and IP configuration. I think you have remembered in my previous classes I have configured IP address manually. You can see here stick and IP address manually configured. Now change as a DHCP. Here you can see I got DHCP request successful message, which refer the DHCP server use IP successfully. And second PC name is PC1. Go to IP configuration, change as a DHCP. You can see I got the successful message. Change it all. PC7. Okay, PC. And laptop also. And laptop 7 finally. Okay, you can ask me a question. Why are we using DHCP? The reason is, instead of assigning IP address one by one, the DHCP does it automatically, and it makes sure every devices get unique IP address. And you can see here we have 10 computers and 2 laptops. We can assign IP address manually, but imagine we have thousands of computers or laptops or devices. Assigning IP address manually, it would be too difficult. That is why we are using DHCP server to get IP address automatically. And I can say real world example as a router or broadband connection use DHCP to give IP address to connected devices. And other hand, easily I can say the mobile data. When you turn on your mobile data, your device automatically gives you an IP address. I think you have noted. Okay guys, today's section is over. I hope you have fully understood the concept DHCP. And if you have any doubt, comment me and stay tuned for upcoming Cisco series. Until then, bye.